Ready to ditch the default look? You can inject your brand's personality into your Basecamp account. First, navigate to the settings area of your Basecamp account by clicking on the settings button typically located in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the settings menu, look for account and billing and click on it. This area manages your account-wide configurations. Within the account and billing section, you'll find customized branding. Select that option to access the customization settings for your account. Now you will find an upload button in the middle of the screen. Click the upload logo button or the placeholder image if there's no existing logo. A file explorer window will pop up, allowing you to select your logo file from your computer. Make sure your logo is in a common image format like JPG, PNG, or GIF, and that it meets the recommended size requirements for optimal display. Once you've selected your logo, it will appear within the designated area on the Basecamp platform. You might have options to resize or reposition it, depending on the customization settings available. And that's it. Your new logo will now be visible across your Basecamp account, creating a more branded and professional experience for your team and clients. Enjoy your customized Basecamp.